This is the PowerShot PX. Cute, right? You can treat this little camera as your personal photographer. The PX is designed to capture those precious family moments and not leave anyone out, capturing natural expressions, following the action, and automatically framing people intelligently and creatively. It captures and recommends the best photos and videos for you through the smartphone app. Get the Connect app for Mini PTZ Cam and let it do the hard work for you, sorting through the great and not so great, so you don't have to. The PX is designed to capture all life's important moments, leaving you free to enjoy them. Best conditions and requirements for use. The camera should be placed on a flat, stable surface to ensure the best shots. It can be used both indoors and out. When shooting indoors, you'll have best results when there's plenty of daylight coming in from windows. For outdoor use, place the PowerShot PX in the shade and avoid direct sunlight. The light source should be behind the camera. The Canon logo should be facing the subject, activity or main event to avoid the blind spot behind, especially when a narrower angle of panning is selected when manual control is enabled. The PowerShot PX will automatically start shooting when it recognizes a face. If you wave or call, it won't start taking photos, so do make sure the camera can see a face. On the bottom of the camera is an accessory socket. Use this to attach a tripod or other holder. The camera can cover an extensive shooting range. To make it easier for the PX to capture subjects, keep a clear space between the camera and people. Make sure the lens is clean using a microfiber cloth, and we always suggest taking a test shot to make sure it's crystal clear. And if water gets on the camera, wipe it with a dry cloth. If dirt, dust or any smears appear, use a well-wrung damp cloth. Connection and initial setup. To start using the PowerShot PX, you'll need to connect it to your smartphone. To do this, first download and open the Connect app for Mini PTZ Cam on your smartphone. Then turn the camera on. Follow the in-app instructions to establish a connection. After the devices are connected, the home screen of the Connect app will appear and the camera's communication indicator will light up. Now you're ready to go. Reconnection and setting up in a different location. Reconnecting or setting up the camera in a different location is simple. Just turn on the camera and open the Connect app for Mini PTZ Cam and follow the steps. Remember to place the camera facing where subjects are most likely to be, with a light source coming from behind it. You can customize settings as well to narrow the panning angle, if, for example, you are placing the camera in a corner. If the camera isn't connecting as it should to your smartphone, we recommend checking through these steps. Turn on Bluetooth from the smartphone's settings screen. It's not possible to pair the camera from the smartphone's Bluetooth settings screen. Instead, open the Mini PTZ app to pair the devices. You can only connect one smartphone to the camera. To connect a different smartphone, reset camera communication settings before repairing. If you have used Mini PTZ app to reset communication settings, clear the Bluetooth settings information on the smartphone settings screen. After this, try pairing the devices again. Pairing is not possible with the camera connected to a computer via USB. How to use the webcam utility. The PowerShot PX is one powerful little camera. You can also use it as a webcam. To do this, you'll first need to connect the camera to a computer via your home Wi-Fi. 1. First, download and install the webcam utility on your computer. 2. Then connect the PTZ app on your smartphone to the camera and go to Settings. 3. Tap Webcam Settings. 4. Enter the network name and password to connect the camera to your wireless home network. 5. Create an account in the camera to allow webcam use. 6. Then press Set on Cam. By pressing this button, it completes the registration of your home Wi-Fi access point and webcam account on the camera. If you forget your username or password, press Clear Set to delete all settings and perform step 4 again. 7. Press the wireless communication button on the camera once. If connecting the camera and Connect app for Mini PTZ Cam via SSID, press the wireless communication button twice. 8. Click the app icon on the task notification area on the right side of the computer taskbar. 9. Select the PowerShot PX as the web camera. 10. Enter the username and password outlined in step 5 and press the Connect button. You will then need to open the social or other conferencing app on the computer and select the webcam utility as their webcam to show the PX camera stream. To stop using the webcam and reconnect the camera to the Connect app for Mini PTZ Cam, restart the camera. To use the camera as a webcam again after the camera power has been turned off, turn on the camera again and perform the operation from step 7. Now you're all set up, you can enjoy your PowerShot PX. Stay in the picture and capture moments as they happen.